Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make potato chips. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 4 large russet potatoes, salt to taste, as well as some oil for frying. We'll start by rinsing and peeling our potatoes and filling a large bowl with cold water. Then we'll thinly slice our potatoes 1/8 of an inch thick and transfer our slices to our bowl of cold water. I'm going to be using a mandolin. Then we'll put our potatoes in the fridge and soak them for at least 2 hours. When our potatoes are finished chilling, we'll preheat our oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll drain our potatoes in the sink and place them in a single layer on a towel-lined baking dish and pat them dry with paper towels and transfer them to a dry bowl. After preparing our chips, we'll fry them in batches at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and allow them to cook for 2 minutes, stirring our chips as they cook. Once fried, we'll transfer them to a paper towel-lined baking sheet, salt them, and allow them to cool in a single layer. We'll allow these to cool completely before serving. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.